tiny onion seeds, small, silent, yet full of life. We place them gently into soft soil, and this is where the magic begins. Soon the soil starts to move, and little green shoots break out of the ground. In just days, those small sprouts grow taller, brighter, and stronger, reaching for the sun. As days pass, more leaves appear. On top, the plant looks simple, but deep under the soil, something exciting is happening. The roots are spreading, the stem thickens, and slowly, the onion bulb begins to form. We give them sunlight, a little water, and remove weeds so the plant gets all the energy it needs. Moist soil, never too wet, never too dry, is the secret. Week after week, the leaves rise higher. The color gets richer. The plant stands proudly, telling us it's growing well. Under the soil, the bulb is swelling, rounder, juicier, fuller. This is the moment every gardener waits for. Now we reduce watering to help the bulbs become firm and strong. And then nature gives a sign. The leaves bend and start drying. This means one thing: harvest time. We gently pull the onions from the soil, fresh, shiny, and full of flavor.